Hi guys, Seamus here. Bit of a quick update on our CVN 78 from Trumpeter, the R.FORD. Not much done to it. A few bits and pieces glued on actually. Top deck does come off. I'm trying to do this in one hand, guys. Sorry. It's one piece, unlike the Enterprise. You have two different sections. You do get a flight deck with this one. It's only set in place. I'm going to take care of that seam. But you're not going to really see it anyway from this angle, I don't think. I've downloaded a lot of 3D prints for it. What I did do is yesterday, we've got our reel set up for our elevators, two on this side and one on the other. Got this item put on, and one on the other side, and the two bigger ones, and this one. There's a lot of stuff, there's a lot of PE to go on this as well. I haven't put my props on just yet. It did say in the start of the instructions to build the props, but no doubt they're probably going to get broke off at some stage. So we're going to leave them way towards the end. Anyway, I'm going to be putting motors into it. I'm thinking along the lines of putting it into a resin, clear resin, submerging up to the water line, but building a plastic clear case for my props when they spin, once it's submerged in the resin sort of thing. Obviously you can't put it in and let it cure up, otherwise your props aren't going to spin. So we're going to build a clear plastic around that section here. So we're going to put it into the resin, pour it in and so forth. It'll not touch the props, but we'll see when it comes to it. What it did do is ordered, or downloaded should I say, 32 figures altogether, all different poses, plus the bulkheads. Now I'll show you the bulkheads here in a second. See now where I was. Just bear with me guys. That's all the figures. So you can see there's a couple walking there and so forth, but I'll show you before the print. These ones here are actually the same ones, only on supports. They're the ones that's straightforward, but I imagine they're going to fail on the plate. But we'll print them off here with our supports. And we'll see if I can go into and show you exactly what it entails. So you get 4 of each. So these are the command and control officers, ground technicians, fueling crew, general support, ordnance crew, catapult crew, aircraft directors, and 4 pilots. So you can get them either 1700 or 1350, so it's a 1350 I've downloaded. The other ones that I have ordered or printed. So the other ones I've downloaded is the flight maintenance deck sort of thing, underside, the walls and so forth. You don't get any of this in the kit, otherwise you want to do a lot of scratch building. So this is what I've downloaded. Back walls and so forth, overhead lighting, supports, what else is there? So obviously you get your instructions and so forth. Bulkhead parts, there's 13 parts, is there? 12 parts? 13, sorry, yeah, 13 parts altogether. So it's basically just print them off, get them in position, and then start your painting. Well, probably not in that order, but I'd imagine you paint them before you put them in. That's your overhead lighting sort of thing. So here's a closer look at the 3D models themselves. All different poses. So you can zoom in a bit. So you got your pilots. The other ones I spoke of for a second ago. So it should be an interesting build. So here we have some of the sections of our hangar deck walls. See if we can highlight this a bit better. There you go. Number one, sorry. Close that down as well, a bit more. As you can see, it's hard to make it out here, but you can see all the fixtures and fittings that's all actually on the walls themselves. Pipes and whatever else has to be done. You'll see it when it's all printed. So there's only 9 parts on this plate. There's actually 13 altogether that needs to be printed out. Suppose you can get the other ones in if I just move them around. But I'll just start off maybe with the main bulkhead here, this part here. And then we'll take the rest of it as it comes, sort of thing. So here you go, guys, that's what's on the bench at the minute. This is going to keep me ticking over all winter. As I said, I'm taking a break from the cars and trucks and so forth. So we won't get them parts into the printer today. I might get them all cured up later. Still plenty to do to it. 3 big boxes here. It's all your O-ring, your PE, double-sided sort of thing. And I've ordered more PEs, rails and so forth. So there's enough for it to keep me going for quite some time, as I said. This is only the smaller box. These are more of the likes of the island and so forth. Underside of the flight deck. There's more O-ring as well. There's a better view of the PE. It's on the side of the box. Over in the tower and so forth. Underside of the flight deck. Stern. I'm actually going to upgrade those propellers to brass rather than the kit ones. But anyway guys, enough rambling for me, so that's where we are on the CVN 78 from Trumpeter. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all later. Bye.